Well, hey, Ermin here, and I welcome you to my Python for Data Science course. So maybe you've been itching to learn Python for data science, but you didn't know where to start. Well, this course is the perfect place to start, and here's why. So first, and most importantly, we're not going to spend just 10 or 20 minutes on Python fundamentals. We're going to spend a great deal of time to make sure that you know Python programming before we move on to some of the libraries like NumPy and Pandas. So this means that you're going to learn all about variables, data types, data structures like lists and dictionaries, nested data, iteration, looping, and all of that fun stuff before we move into learning about the specific libraries. Second, I've made sure that as you acquire fundamental Python skills, you reach stages where you see real-world and realistic examples of how Python is used in data science. And finally, you're going to have an opportunity to test your understanding throughout the course. In fact, each and every lecture will be followed by some kind of test of your knowledge or your ability to apply skills that you've learned. So, hope you're ready. Hope you're ready to have fun in learning a really important skill, Python for data science.